皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered why Japanese people often end their sentences with yo, ne, or yone? What are they? In today's lesson, I will explain what yo, ne, and yone are, how to use them, and why they are so important in natural conversation. At the end of this video, you'll be using them like a native speaker. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sentence ending particles are small words added to the end of a sentence. They don't have a direct meaning, but they add nuance, tone, emotion to your speech. In Japanese, communication is about how you connect with the listener. That's why particles like yo, ne, and yone are very important part of natural sounding Japanese. Let's start with a common question. What's the difference between yo and ne? Yo is used when you are telling someone something, especially if it's new information, a strong opinion, or suggestion. It's kind of like saying, I'm telling you, in English. Ne is used when you are seeking agreement or confirming something that you and the listener both know. It also creates a feeling of togetherness. Like saying, isn't it? Or don't you think? In English. Let's look at these examples. これ、おいしいよ。これおいしいよ。In this sentence, you are telling someone that food is tasty. Maybe they haven't tried it yet, and you want to share the information with the listener. これおいしいね。これおいしいね。Here, you and the listener are both eating the same thing, and you are sharing the feeling. It creates a sense of togetherness or connection. 近くに光カフェが新しくできたみたいだよ。光カフェ？聞いたことないよ。人気なの？最近 SNS で話題になってるよ。私前行ったんだけど、ケーキすごく美味しかったよ。今度行こうよ。いいよ。今日も天気悪いね。最近ずーっと雨だよね。もう梅雨に入ったのかもしれないね。梅雨はジメジメでやだね。本当にね。You can also use both yo and ne when making suggestions, but the feeling changes depending on which one you use. Let's look at these examples. 毎日運動した方がいいですよ。毎日運動した方がいいですよ。In this sentence, you are telling the other person what you think is good for them. Let's look at next one. 毎日運動した方がいいですね。毎日運動した方がいいですね。Here, you are inviting other person to agree with you. You can also use yo and ne when making requests. When you use ne, it sounds more gentle and friendly, like saying, please do this, okay? In English. 掃除しておいてね。掃除しておいてね。戸締まりの確認忘れないでね。戸締まりの確認忘れないでね。ちょっと早めに来てくださいね。ちょっと早めに来てくださいね。If you say the same thing with yo, the tone becomes stronger, like you are insisting. So let's look at these examples. 掃除しておいてよ。掃除しておいてよ。 戸締まりの確認忘れないでよ。戸締まりの確認忘れないでよ。ちょっと早めに来てくださいよ。ちょっと早めに来てくださいよ。Let's talk about this pair. そうだよ and そうだね。They are very similar and both are used when you agree with something, but they have different nuances. そうだよ。そうだよ。This one, you are agreeing with confidence or strongly confirming something. On the other hand, そうだね。そうだね。This one, you are gently agreeing or confirming what someone said. It feels like a more shared understanding. Yo is also used to alert someone or point something out. Like, 鍵落としましたよ。鍵落としましたよ。もう家に着いたよ。もう家に着いたよ。ここ渋谷だよ。ここ渋谷だよ。When you learn something new from someone and you want to show the mild surprise or realization, you can use ね。For example, 京都ご出身なんですね。京都ご出身なんですね。この映画、もう見に行ったんだね。この映画、もう見に行ったんだね。Now the next question. When do we use よね and what does it mean? よね is used when you are pretty sure about something but you still want the other person to agree or confirm it with you. For example, let's say you are talking with your coworker and you remember there is a meeting that you are pretty sure starts at 10, but you just want to make sure. So you can check with coworker like, 明日のミーティング10時からだよね。明日のミーティング10時からだよね。Or after watching a movie, you want to share your thoughts and see if your friend feels the same way. 映画面白かったよね。映画面白かったよね。You can also use よね to agree with someone in a friendly way. Let's look at this short conversation. 漢字って難しいよね。難しいよね。Here, speaker B is repeating what speaker A said and editing よね to show agreement. You can also say そうだよね or そうですよね or just say だよねですよね。漢字って難しいよね。そうだよね。漢字って難しいよね。だよね。That's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to use よ、ね and よね in Japanese conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。